Albrecht Adam was born April 16, 1786, died August 28, 1862, was a Bavarian painter, who accompanied Napoleon Bonaparte during the 1812 Russian campaign. He was attached as an official artist to the Bavarian contingent in Bonaparte's Grand Armée. Throughout the campaign he sketched, painted and depicted an important record of the campaign to Moscow. In his memoirs he described the carnage of Borodino, and late into his career he was still painting battle scenes from the Napoleonic period. He became a well-known equine artist, a legacy continued by his grandson, Émile Adam. Albrecht's talent for painting became apparent at an early age, as by 1800 he was painting French troops as they marched through southern Germany. Initially apprenticed as a confectioner in Nuremberg, in 1803 he enrolled at the Academy of Fine Arts, Nuremberg, where he was tutored in drawing by Christoph Zwinger. In July 1807 he moved to Munich, where he learned from the war and battle artist Johann Lorenz Regendes II, and befriended fellow artists Margret Geiger and Sophie Reinhardt, who later moved with him to Vienna. In 1809 Austria attacked Napoleon's ally Bavaria, an action that led to a short, unpleasant conflict that culminated in Austrian defeat by France and Bavaria at the Battle of Tugendhausen. Adam, who accompanied the victorious army to Vienna, produced a series of military impressions of the conflict, beginning a theme that would dominate his career. It was during his brief residency in Vienna that he met Prince Eugene de Beauharnais, the Viceroy of Italy and Bonaparte's stepson, and his wife Princess Augusta of Bavaria. The young artist was asked to join Prince Eugene's household in Milan as a court painter. His duties included accompanying Eugene and his staff on military campaigns across Europe.